This is the greatest thing in my life right now. I'm looking out in the Philadelphia Eagles tunnel. This is the absolute. I cannot believe I would like. This is so freaking amazing. I seriously just walked out of Lincoln Financial Fields. Tunnel. This is so freaking amazing. This is just mind-blowing.
That's that Bermuda grass right here. That's that Bermuda big time of that. That's that Bermuda. Look at that gold post. Man, that thing big as hell. That thing is huge. Holy cow. On TV don't look like that.
It looks bigger on TV, too.
Right?
It looks a lot bigger on TV.
I feel like it's small.
Well, it looks bigger on TV. It's small here. Yeah, it definitely looks.
I feel the opposite. Yeah, this is nice.
They about the same size as Franklin Field.
I'll be like, let me get that.
And that's what 100 yards looks like. He does.
I went to the game last year. We watched the Browns game. Yeah, like somewhere here in this corner.
So here we are on the field, Lincoln Financial Field. My dreams finally came true.
Yeah. Walk the field, right?
Yeah, exactly. Where's Reggie?
First door on the left, right into the FanDuel Lounge.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Yep. And here we are in the FanDuel Lounge. And now the party begins. Go Birds.